Hi all, welcome to another video of Tiju's Academy. You all know that there are different ways to improve your English speaking skill. One thing we can do is to learn advanced English phrases or words. Let's replace normal English with advanced English phrases. The first one is, can I come tomorrow? Instead of that, you can use, can I drop in tomorrow? The second one is, I'm fit and healthy. I'm fit as a fiddle. I'm a bit busy. I'm a bit tired up. I like you a lot. I'm so into you. Text me once you're free. Hit me up once you're free. I spend time with my friends. I hang out with my friends. She drinks a lot. She drinks like a fish. I'm angry with you. You are my bad book. I don't like it. It's not my cup of tea. These are some English phrases that you can use in your speaking. This is Rini. See you with more.